In this video we show you 3 different overwater villa categories of the Conrad Maldives and give you an impression of several restaurants, including Ithaa, the first undersea restaurant in the world. It's coming up. The Conrad Maldives is located on Rangali Island, round about 70 miles away from the main island Malé. At the airport you check in for the Seaplane and get a ride to the welcome lounge. We had a transfer from Sea Lagoon, the Curio property, to the Conrad, and the 2 hotels synchronized the evening before to bring us back by boat and pick us up at the harbor. They were offering some drinks and also breakfast in our case, but only a few minutes after the arrival we had to leave again for boarding. The Seaplane had a capacity of round about 15 passengers and can stop like a taxi multiple times. The waterplane transport is a great experience. I wasn't sure what to expect, but actually it was a smooth takeoff, flight and landing. And you get an amazing view onto the atolls forming the Maldives. As we approach Rangali Island, we also get an amazing view onto the property, which consists of 3 islands, 2 for the guests and 1 for the employees. In general, the Conrad doesn't offer free room upgrades, but you get the possibility of paid upgrades in advance. We had the chance to see 3 different room categories on the southern island, which offers overwater villas only and is the adult-only area of the hotel. After landing, you start your vacation with a coconut in the welcome area. And from here, a buggy takes you to your home, away from home. One speciality of the Conrad is your personal host throughout your stay, who can help you with reservations on restaurants and activities. Our first room is a sunrise water villa located on the northern side of the island, facing the lagoon. The nice part about this is that the water is calm and has no waves in that direction. The room measures 86 square meters or 925 square feet and offers a completely different and more luxurious interior design compared to Sea Lagoon. The welcome gift was a bottle of sparkling wine, fruits and sweets. A perfect combination to get drunk and happy. This room category also has a nice terrace with a small jacuzzi on the one side and direct water access through the stairs on the other side. The room is flooded by light from different sides and it also has a glass floor area. Super cool. Part of the minibar is also a wine collection and a full fridge. The milk is free of charge, however. From the walk-in closet we continue to the bathroom. Very large, modern, bright with large windows and offering both a bathtub and a walk-in rain shower. Shampoo and shower gel are available here in dispensers, and I guess only one was still from the brand Mandarin Tea. You get great views to all directions from, well, let's call it everywhere in the room. And that's it with the room tour, basically. What can be something between funny and scary are the crabs, who occasionally do fight for their location. Speaking of location, let's move on and have a look on a superior water villa with pool, 2 room categories up the ladder. It is located on the southern side of the island and offers a similar design. By the way, the 50 rooms on this island were throughout renovated during the past year and were released this year, in 2022. So it really is a pleasure to be here. Some details do differ in this 76 square meters or 818 square feet villa. It is slightly smaller than the room before, but offers breathtaking views onto the sunset and a larger infinity plunge pool on your terrace. And despite the room design being quite similar, some details are nicer in here, such as the watch with wireless charging possibility. The terrace is for sure the highlight here, as you are facing the infinity of the Indian Ocean. You will see waves on this side, breaking in quite some distance to your villa. And keep in mind, summertime is monsoon time on the Maldives, so it can be sunny with blue skies, or it can get windy, grey and rainy. But let's move up the ladder once more to the highest one-bedroom water villa, a premier water villa with pool, room 313 on the same island. This room measures 152 square meters or 1,636 square feet and is located at the far end of the island. This increases the walking distance to breakfast by 6 to 7 minutes, making buggy transportation sometimes helpful, particularly in combination with rain. The bathroom here offers a jacuzzi with 2 seats instead of the ordinary bathtub. Also here, the rain shower is getting fancier, and the Mandarin tea amenities are fully available. And not only the rain shower has some special features. The last area of the room is the walk-in closet, and this really deserves this description. Final stop. The terrace. It offers a seating area and a bed to watch the stars. The pool here is deeper with 1.2 meters or 4 feet, so you really can swim here. Similar as in the other 2 rooms, you have 2 sunbeds and direct access to the sea. The special thing of this room category with 2 available rooms is that if you book both, you can open a door and double the terrace space. And that's it with our room tours. Let's move around the 2 islands and get some impressions on nature and wildlife. Although there is a small bar, pool area and a restaurant on the southern island, the main bars and restaurants are on the northern island. Here you also have further possibilities such as playing tennis, and you can also borrow snorkeling sets. And if you don't want to cross the bridge or use a buggy, you can also take the ferry to the other side.
Whatever you do, don't pay the ferryman. Don't even fix a price. Don't pay the ferryman until he gets you to the other side. Don't pay the ferryman,
as it is free of charge. Dining experiences. Sunset Grill is an open-air restaurant with a great variation of meat and seafood, and also a nice wine list. Ithaa Market is one of the most important places here, as it is the main breakfast area with an awesome selection of everything you can dream of. By the way, there is also Vilo restaurant on the other island, which was closed during our visit. That would be rather quiet, but also offer a smaller selection. So Ithaa Market is the right place to be. And not only breakfast is served here, but this is also the place to come for a happy hour between 4 and 5 p.m, where you get a snack plate and can choose between the daily cocktail and wines, beer or soft drinks free of charge. Rangali Bar offers all-day dining with a mixed menu. Here you get a steak or burger, and a very similar menu is also available for in-room dining, which also has its charm. Ithaa is another great place on the beach, offering Chinese flavors, which was really nice. And finally, the highlight of the restaurants, Ithaa, the first undersea restaurant worldwide. It's located 5 meters below sea level and offers an awesome panoramic view. For $340 per person you receive a high-class 7-course set menu. Based on your diets, they adapt the menu to match it to your needs and wishes, and yes, in my case they adapted a lot. Thanks for that. You receive a welcome drink at arrival and bottled water is also included in the menu price. If you get a bottle of wine for dinner, you will end up at around $1,000 for the experience. You start your dining experience at around 6:30 p.m, so you see sea life by day and experience the surrounding while it's getting dark. It's really impressive and a very special experience. Be quick with your reservation as it's not open daily and only 7 tables are available. And also kids are welcomed here on this amazing property. The right place for affluent people. For the Conrad Maldives Rangali Island, we award 5 out of 5 diamonds. Many thanks and best wishes to our host Anna. See you out there. You're Alex from GaiaDreams.com.